Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essential tools and doing a focused inspection. Start now. Remove the smallest trim piece near the noise and keep screws in order. Use a flashlight and press panels while an assistant runs the engine at idle to reproduce the sound. Once you hear the rattle, mark its location and test adjacent components like vents and switches. This saves time and prevents needless disassembly. It also tells you whether the noise is panel chatter, loose fasteners, or a deeper dash component. You now move into targeted fixes. Isolate the exact panel or part causing the noise and secure it. Pry back trim where needed and apply thin foam or felt between contact points to eliminate vibration. Tighten or replace missing clips and use small washers or thread lock on screws that back out. Once done, recheck switches, vent flaps, and the instrument cluster for binding. Make sure to test on different road surfaces and RPM ranges to confirm the repair holds under varied conditions. You finish by reassembling panels carefully. Align clips, press until they click, and tighten screws to consistent snugness without over-tightening. Then perform a structured test drive for 10 to 20 minutes over mixed surfaces to catch intermittent noises and note any remaining sources. If a persistent noise remains, isolate further by removing sections incrementally or use a mechanic's stethoscope to pinpoint internal components. Troubleshooting tip: if you can still reproduce the sound, swap foam padding locations to see if vibration coupling is the problem before replacing major parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.